How you doing? My name is Steve.
Hey, and I'm Jason.
And who are we?
Good Vibes Real Estate Solutions.
Do you need to sell your Arizona house? If so, check out Good Vibes Real Estate Solutions. They're private house buyers ready to make you an offer on your property. Any situation or condition, let them help you. They pay closing costs and buy your house as is. That's right, you don't need to make any repairs. They also can close quickly. Call today or click below for more information.
Do you have a property that you need to sell quickly? If so, we're here to help.
Any condition, any situation, it does not matter. Let us be the ones to provide you with a solution.
Give us a call right now. It doesn't matter what time it is, we're always here for you.
And for your convenience, you can also reach us on the web at iwantmyoffer.com.
We look forward to working with you soon.
Thank you very much and have a great day.